All right. Here we got an old strong lamb. He's a friendly boy. He's ready to duke it up. Babe, you see him? You want to butt with him, babe? He's ready. He's a meaner. He's a fighter, babe. Get him. No. Babe. Boy, fight boy. Oh, he's strong, babe. He's a strong lamb. You don't want to play with him? Come on, boy. Can't do this after he gets a couple weeks older. He'll want to butt when he's grown. Break my hip or something. Right now, he's too young. He's just 4 weeks old. Yeah. Good boy. He's a friendly boy, ain't you? Push. Oh, I like to butt. You gonna play? Look here, babe. Babe, you better come here and fight this boy. He's a good bully. You have to be bully. Bully be his name. Good old bully lamb. Bully, bully, bully. Come here, bully lamb. Okay, babe. Boy, he's a bully. He's a bully, babe. He's a tough boy. Good old bully lamb. Bully lamb. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, watch him go, babe. Oh, yeah. He's a butter. Yeah. He's going to be going for the alpha title when he gets big. What if he had horns? You done? You done? You done, boy? You done? Oh, his mama's come and got him. You can't play no more, no. Your mama's after you. Alright. That's enough for now. Babe, you don't want to butt with this boy? No? Alright. Alright. That's it. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.